What's up, everybody? It's DrCoDRage, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to repair your disk or your CD drive just in case the eject button gets jammed. What's always happens to me, obviously it's not plugged in right now, but this happened to me a lot, so I learned how to get it out. How to fix it. But you're gonna have to take off the center panel for this, and I decided to just give the whole PC a little clean out. Did everything, got the motherboard out there. Just everything's out. And so let's get this baby popped open. Okay, so we got the top off. I put it right there, and like I said, it's been jamming, so we gotta fix the eject button. So, no big deal. Just one little quick fix. Quick hit. Okay, so now that we have our problem fixed, it's time to put everything back into the PC. Where did I put that side? Where's the cap for that? Oh, it's in there already. Huh. Ain't nobody got time for screws. Damn it. Oh my god, the motherboard. Oh shit. No. I missed. Power supply, need this. And now you just gotta put the side panel back on. Fasten it back up. Good as new.